Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And Windows camera, it's not working. It not be show in the Windows operating system. So guys, how to fix this issue? So click to start, type run. Okay, and guys, use this command wsreset.exe. When you click, and it will open the Microsoft. That's mean your install applications, cache and cookies will restore it. It's clean. Okay, and then close it. Then next options, next method, open the PowerShell. Click to start, type PowerShell, right click to run as administrator, and then click on yes. Then this is re-register command. Okay, you can see Windows camera, and after that you can hit enter, so it will complete without any error. Okay, okay, and then close it. Then one more method, repair the your camera. Click to start, and then setting, then click to app, then install app. Now this is the camera, and click to three dot, and then advanced option, scroll down, and click to reset, and then repair. Okay, you can see this is right tick, means issue has resolved. Okay, this is also, and then close it. And one last and very important, sometime what happened, Windows C drive files, Windows corrupted files, so need to repair it. So click to start and type cmd, and right click to run as administrator, and then click to yes, and then type sfc space slash scan now, and then hit enter, so it will start some percentage like that. So that's mean your corrupted windows files, corrupted windows dial files, it will restore and recover within 1 minute. Okay, so let's complete this and then restart your system fully, and then please check it. Okay, and please comment.